It's laundry day, and I'm about to wash with some nuts. Yeah. Hey there guys, welcome back to Holistic YYC. My name is Janna, and I'm about to wash my clothes with some nuts. Yeah, I said nuts. We're washing darks today. So these babies are a very cheap, economical, compostable, and sustainable way of washing your clothes. And it's very safe for babies. If you have very sensitive skin or eczema or psoriasis or any or you're very sensitive to chemicals, soap nuts are really good, economical, and sustainable way to wash your clothes. So how do they work? We got a bag, we got some soap nuts, and drop them in. Tie that baby super tight because we don't want our nuts getting loose in the wash. So I've got a container here, up there. Take this baby, throw it in there. That's it. Wash it with nuts. Soap nuts are actually a soap berry. They have natural saponification properties, which means naturally sudsy, and they can clean your clothes with the detergent that they make. They are not edible. Just FYI, do not mix them up with your regular like nuts and berries kind of a thing. They're super cheap. You can pick them up at Bulk Barn is where I picked mine up. I think I picked up like a bag about this big for about $7, which will last about 100 different loads. Generally, you're gonna wanna put 4 to 6 in a little bag, preferably like a cotton or organic or a burlap sack, something with a little bit more of like open holes kind of a thing, so then the suds and stuff can get out. Do not get cheap ones because your wash will probably just rip to shreds. You can put them in the dryer, it's not a big deal. They'll just go bad faster. It usually lasts about 6 to 7 loads, and they come in, they look like this. And how do you know if you need to switch them out? Well, they'll go a kind of a pale color. So this is the new one, and then this one is like a pale color. So you can tell that the suds have pretty much been all exhausted. And from there, you can just compost them, and they're fully biodegradable. So it's a really good option if you're wondering about more sustainable ways of switching and ditching your products. So how do they work? Okay, do a little mason jar, little experimentarino. So I'll put a few just kind of in there. Just kind of suds it up. And it works with the agitation in your washer. So as your washer starts agitating, as it does, it creates suds. What? These suds will then clean your clothes, man. They will clean your clothes. If you want to punch it up a little bit, you can put some vinegar in there. Maybe put a little bit of hydrogen peroxide in there if you want to get those whites like super crispy white. They really don't smell. They've got a very neutral smell. I usually have a dryer ball that I will put in. I put some essential oils in there and then throw it in there. So if you want kind of that nice lavender smell for your sheets, or maybe like an uplifting citrusy smell for your clothing or something like that for the morning, then I would suggest using a dryer ball, put some essential oils in there, throw that in there. There's some more sustainable ways. What are your thoughts on washing your clothes with nuts? I want to know. That's it for me, guys. Hopefully you learned something today. If you did, give this a big thumbs up. If you didn't, well, that put some comments in there. Let me know what you want to learn about. My name is Janna. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.